Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a super interesting and affordable accessory that promises to totally change your phone photography game. This is the 0.45x phone lens, a clip-on accessory for your mobile phone that boasts both a super wide-angle lens and a macro lens in one compact package.
We're going to unbox it, test it out, and see if it truly delivers on its promise. Beyond the lens itself, it might come with a clip, lens caps, a small pouch. Frames are made of metal and having good quality. It's a combination of 0.45x super wide-angle lens and a macro lens. 0.45x super wide-angle lens which allows you to capture a much broader field of view than your phone's native camera. Perfect for landscapes and cityscapes, group photos fitting everyone in without stepping back. The wide-angle part typically unscrews to reveal the macro lens underneath. Macro lens enables incredibly detailed close-up shots of small subjects. Ideal for flowers, insects, and nature details. Textiles and textures. Jewelry and small products. Clip-on design make it easy of use, compatible with most smartphones. Here I am sharing some sample photos and videos which took by macro lens.